Hello everyone, this is Kiana and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be trying out a new glue that I just bought from Amazon. So I'm going to be showing y'all how I apply it. I just want to thank y'all so much for giving me 17,000 views on my video, my last eyelash video that I did. I could not believe how many people watched it, so I just want to thank y'all so much for watching it, and I'm glad that y'all enjoyed it. So I'm also going to show y'all in this video how I remove these lashes, because I know somebody down in the comments asked me how do I remove them, because some people have issues with getting used to the lashes, or like, you know, however it was applied. So I am going to be showing y'all how I remove the lashes as well. So make sure that when you get a lash remover, make sure that it's the same brand as the glue that you get, or at least close to the same brand, because I don't know how the chemicals work together. And I feel like, you know, if you're going to get any type of eyelash glue, make sure that you're able to get the remover from that same brand, so that way it could work together. So as you can see, I just took the glue and I put it on a popsicle stick. Don't put it directly on your eye, because I did that and I accidentally got some in my eye because it kind of like squirted, because it was a air bubble, and I ended up burning the crap out of my eye, and I had to rinse it for like 5 minutes just to make sure I got all that glue remover out of my eye. So don't be like me, don't squirt it directly on your eyelashes. Just take a stick, put the glue on, and then just apply it like a mascara. And I'm applying it directly on the lashes. Make sure I not get any on the waterline, because, you know, like I said, it could burn, especially when you blink, you know, it's gonna burn like crap. So after about 10 to 15 minutes, I'm taking my tweezers and I'm just carefully plucking them off my eyes. Don't be too harsh, don't be too, you know, aggressive. Take your time. If the lashes are not coming out right away, wait another about 5 to 10 minutes, and then, you know, try again to see if that glue had broke down. So after the glue broke down and I took all my lashes off, now I'm just going in with my same tweezers and I'm just getting rid of any leftover glue that's on my lashes before I take some lash shampoo and I wash my lashes, just to get rid of all that leftover product on there, as you can see. And then after I used the lash shampoo, this is how my eyelashes look now. It's still some leftover residue, just some white residue from the glue, which I just easily was able to just pick off. So if there's any leftovers, just, you know, you could pick it off, or you could do a second wash with the lash shampoo. So these are the lashes that I'm using right here, and I will put the name in the video, but these are the kind of lashes that I'm using. So this is the 14mm one. So what I do is that I take the lashes and I split them in half, and the reason why I do that is because it just gives more movement and it just makes them look a lot more spread out. So this is the glue that I'm using. So this glue, as you can see, is a lot more liquidy than the glue that I used on my first video. Is a lot more on the liquid side. So this is really good for people who have experience with putting on lashes. If you don't have any experience of putting on your own lashes, I highly suggest using the glue that I used on my first video, because it's easy to remove and it's easy to work with, because it's a lot more thicker compared to this lash glue. It's a lot more liquidy, but it's a lot more stronger. It's more on the professional side. So if you're not used to putting on your own eyelash extensions, please use the glue that I used on my first video to show you how I do it. It's not going to last as long as this glue, probably. I'm not really sure how long this will last, because this is only my second time using it, and I had to take it out 2 weeks early just because I wanted to do this video and show y'all how I apply it. But so far the glue was pretty good and pretty strong, but now I'm really going to test it and see how long this glue will last. So if you want to see how I apply my lashes, don't forget to check out my first eyelash video. This is pretty much the same way how I'm doing it right now. The only difference is that I let the glue spill into that little circle thing around the bottle, and it kind of pulls around the ring. And all I'm doing is just taking my lashes, I'm dipping it in there just very lightly till it covers about some of that root of the lashes, and then I just let it dry just for a bit, a couple of seconds, before I put it on my lashes. And then afterwards I, like, you know, dry it before I completely let my eyes close, because if you let it close too early, the glue does take a minute to dry. It takes a lot more longer to dry than the other glue that I use. If you blink, you could possibly glue your eyes shut. So make sure it's completely dry and matte before you let go of your eye. Now, technically, this type of process is supposed to be done with your eyes closed, but because I've been doing it for so long and I kind of know how to do it on myself, you know, this won't be an issue for me. But for anybody who's just starting off, please be careful and start with something light before you go with something like this, which is a lot more heavier, more aggressive, more professional grade. Okay, I don't want nobody coming in the comment section talking about, Kiana, I glued my eyes shut. Look, I ain't got nothing to do with that, right? I don't know what you did. I'm just telling you how I do my lashes. But if you know, glue your eyes shut, then like, I don't know what else to tell you. Okay, like, that's just something, you know, you should have been careful with, or however you applied them. Just be careful, all right? Because I'm not a lash artist. I am, you know, licensed. I'm a cosmetologist, so I am licensed to do this type of stuff, but I don't have full knowledge of it. Besides, I know, like, you gotta wait 78 hours or 72 hours before you get them wet. Also, make sure they use the Lash shampoo so it helps them last longer, because any oils can cause them to lift and shed quicker. And yeah, just don't get no glue on your waterline, especially on the pink part. The waterline, don't get it on there. So as long as you're avoiding those type of things, you should be good. But like I said, this is totally onto you. If this is something that you want to do on yourself, I highly suggest buying the glue first, that K-Kiss glue, before you try this type of glue, because this glue is strong. Okay, I can tell you that. Once it's dry, it's up and it's stuck. So as you can see, I'm kind of doing the cat eye look. I'm doing a more natural look. So I did 3 14mm lashes on the outside, and then I did 2 to 3mm lashes in the kind of towards the middle, and then towards the end I used about 1 10mm lashes towards the front. So it just gives it that nice wispy cat eye look. And yeah, and then that's pretty much it. And then you just give it about 30 minutes before you can kind of go crazy with them and like brush them and stuff like that. But that is how they end up turning out. This glue is pretty good. It just dries slow, so you will have to be a little bit more patient with it. But on top of that, I'm definitely going to be testing out, see how long this glue lasts. I'm hoping it could last me at least 4 weeks, because usually with the glue that I used before I switched to this, it lasts me only like a week and a half to 2 weeks. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all like it. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, go ahead and follow me on my other social media pages. I would appreciate it. And with that being said, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.